Hello guys, hello, my name is Elena, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a simple baseball theme cake. So the cake itself will be covered in buttercream icing, link I'm gonna leave in description box, and the decorations we're gonna do out of fondant. Alright, so I'm already, as usual, I'm gonna pre-make my details ahead, and tomorrow we're gonna assemble our cake. So I'm starting working on my field. It will go on top of the cake, and the cake is large, it's 10-inch round, so the field gonna be pretty big. And again, the fondant I'm using is satin ice fondant. That's the one I'm always using, that's my favorite. It never fails me, so I trust it a lot. And let's do it. All right, now we gonna decorate the cake. So we're gonna do stitches in the front of the cake, and I'm gonna roll out the red fondant and pretty thin. And I'm gonna use my multi-wheel pizza cutter, and I'm just gonna run some stripes, just like so. And I'm gonna do quite a few of them, so I don't have to do it again and again. So since I rolled out quite a big piece of the fondant, so might as well just roll stripes on all of it. And if I don't need it, I can just smoosh it back in the bowl, put it away. All right, so stripes are quite thin, that's what I like. Now let's cut the ends of it. And I'm just gonna use a regular pizza cutter for that. Okay, now let's clean it up. So I'm gonna remove just the stripe that were between the cuts, so they not quite the width as the rest of the stripes, and of course the end pieces that's not even. All right, so I don't need any of those. Okay, and I'll just take the stripes now and let's put it on the cake. So just like on a baseball, it will go to the front, from the front, like that. Okay. And the same thing on the back side. Just like that. And I'm not gonna worry about the very top one, because remember we made a field that will go on top and it will cover all that. So I'm not worried about it. Okay, now we need to do stitches. So again, I'm gonna take my pizza wheel and kind of eyeball it how long the stitches needs to be and adjust my cutter. All right, so I need about that big. So here are my stripes, and I'm gonna just go ahead and wheel it. I'm gonna do one side of this, and see I'm doing it a little angle. So I'm gonna do one side angle to the left, see? Just like that. And the other side angle to the right. Just very slightly, you don't need to do very drastic. Okay, and then I'm gonna just put them on the cake. So see how it looks a little angle when you look at the stitches? See? All right, so continue do it on all sides. Now with the round cutter, I'm gonna cut blue circle, and I'm gonna write a message on it. So it will be like a little tag, and I'm gonna stick it to the front of the cake too, on the side. Just like that. Make sure it's nice and flat. Make sure there's no bubbles. And with just red icing, I'm gonna freehand the message and just write on top of it. So it will be happy birthday message. Now using large grass tip and the green icing, let's go ahead and pipe grass border around the bottom tier. Just like that. I'll go all around the cake. And finish with our decoration. So here's our field going on top. Then we're gonna put the baseball bat and the bowl. I didn't show it, I forgot to film it, but it's just styrofoam covered with fondant. And I used the red marker for the stitches. All right, and this is our final cake. What you guys think? I hope you enjoyed this new video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And like this video. Don't forget to give me thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.